I'm breaking them off real bad. I'm sure I'm throwing up deuce right now. I'm breaking them off real bad. I'm breaking them off real bad. I'm breaking them off real bad. I'm sure I'm throwing up deuce right now.
Now I gotta work my wood grain wheel. Popping trunks, popping pills, seal, popping seals. Hive in the hill with my mind on meal. Piece and chain swinging, bang, chrome, shiny grill. Baby, I got $1 million dreams with my mind on cream. I'm in that mean green machine, clean on 19s. Last screens in the head, red, swinging like a swing set. Brandy wine, paint wet, coming down, that's a bit.
You already know it is. This your girl, Miss Ray, a.k.a. The Boss Baby. I told y'all that I was coming down here to the Texas Made Custom Car Show. Inquiry is in the building. Mama Mocha, you know what I'm talking about? Fire, Pebbles, Pony. We doing it big, Daddy. We doing it big right here in the A-Sign Inquiry.
Now we in Houston. We doing it. Inquiry. Got Mocha in the building. We got Miss Ray in the building. You got you, me, myself, and I. Miss Trinity in the building. We got Fire in the building. We got the 3 fat girls in the building. This Boss Baby TV, real talk, is going down. We already know it's going down. Boss Baby, look, she usually on the other side. It's going down, yo. Look. We might actually interview some people today. Real talk. It depends. If we see a clean ass slab, that hoe get interviewed. I want to know what made you make your slab so clean. But right now, I ain't seen no clean shit. Real talk. I seen the shit, the regular shit. It ain't even no hood shit. Maybe they trying to get their stuff together. But who it is?
Check it out, it's your boy DJ Key 3 times. The Grizz, Boy and Grizz, you know what I'm talking about. TVT Records representative, you know what I'm saying. We out here at Texas Made Car Show. Got the Grit Boys performing, you know what I'm saying. So shout out to the Grit Boys, the whole Grit Boy camp, you know what I'm saying. Shout out, man, you know what I'm saying. So I got my girl Boss Baby TV. What's happening with your mama? Everybody out here, we got In Crowd out here. We got Fire, you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. We got my girl Trinity, you know what I'm saying. We got what? Troublesome out here, right? Troublesome out here? You know what I'm saying? Ain't got crowd in, you know what I'm saying? That's what's up. You know what I'm saying? That's what's up. So I sure did, you know I did, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm talking about. If you ain't here, you ain't in the right spot today, baby.
This is girl Fire, a.k.a. DJ Fat Alberta, the crocus and most famous fat girl of the South, out here in the building, representing the queen of the streets, my girl Mocha, my girl Miss Ray, BBE TV, it goes down, 3 fat girls that lock this bitch up, you dig what I'm saying? In crowd in the building, look at here. I don't know too much to say, Mo, but we about to get it. They can't stand it, and it's all right, because we ain't asked a motherfucker for nothing. Do you understand what I'm saying? We ain't asked a motherfucker for nothing, am I right?
We ain't asking for shit, bitch. You know what I'm talking about? It is the 07. The Inquiry is official. We doing it. Fuck y'all, you hate, you know what I'm saying? Y'all are pissed, but I'm like, Boosie, I'm mad. Bitch, you done made me mad. Inquiry is doing it, you know what I'm saying? We started this shit, and we gonna finish this shit. Big shout out to A-Ball, MJG. You know what I'm saying? That's what it is. That's what it is. What the fuck she said.
So this your boy Go DJ AWOL representing 3 Fat Girl Entertainment. That's right, I am Go DJ AWOL. If you're not a Go DJ, then what the fuck you DJ for?
Baby, Texas Luxury Suites. It's the new innovative TV show that's coming out to a station near you. So y'all keep your lookout for it. www.myspace.com/Tweako Music, or you can go to youtube.com/Texas Luxury. Check out the work we do. I'm telling you, it's the editing, the graphics that we doing. It's cold. It's cold. You ain't gonna see it nowhere else unless you go to Hollywood. But we doing it down here. You know what I'm saying? So check it out.
Trying to make it happen in Houston. With networking, baby. Tweako, Fat Girls, all these folks out here, AWOL. We're trying to make it happen the way it's supposed to, the way the Atlanta got it setting off, the way that New York and LA got it setting off. Trying to make it happen down here in H-Town, where we ain't got to go out of this motherfucking state. You understand what I'm saying?
And see, that's what's good. Everybody rep for the Inquiry, you dig what I'm saying? Because we rep for the streets. We are the female version of the Screwed Up Clique. I put that on everything I love. Make sure you know that it goes down in H-Town.
Wall money, that's this expensive taste. And them friendly fools, we send them to MySpace. I'ma break them off until the backbone broken. Stainless steel drop out them, leave the top open. Then hit the fan, better cover your nose. And the start burning, better cover your clothes. Concrete crumbs.